Welcome back to What Rights Seg segment 26. The alleged assault by the jail guard at the North Fraser Pretrial Court Coquitlam that I speculated was on about May the 31st, 2004. It could have been June the 1st or June the 3rd on my way to court. I'm not sure the date. The original notes that I had transcribed about this matter, which is equivalent to about 14 chapters for a novel text, was stolen on or about August the 31st, 2006. And we're going to talk about that at a later date. Anyway, I went to court on May the 31st. I was shackled and handcuffed, put on the so-called bus. We're in the armored car, which the sheriff drove about 30 minutes to the downtown Vancouver jail. While there, I was before a judge. I said I didn't have an attorney yet. I believe the judge was Judge Go, G-O-U-G-H. Then that's when Michael Mines was acquired as an advocate in this matter through legal aid. Well, not exactly through legal aid at that time. We're going to talk about that again, too. We had a discussion. He took down my name and stuff, and I told him briefly what had transpired, and he says, well, why don't you go ahead with the bail release conditions? And I said, no way, I'm not going to subject myself to a psychological assessment to allow these people to put a label on me in order to discredit me. I said, I'm certainly not going to plead guilty for something I didn't do. And I said, that's just the way that is. You know, if truth is the law, then the law has to be truth, you know. And he just looks at me. I said, if truth is the law has to be truth. So he goes back into the courtroom, and I go into the courtroom, and I join him there, and he talks to the judge. The judge goes, oh, it's an incident about a gun, a threat with a gun. And Michael Mines says, no, Your Honor, it is a threat with a knife. So here we got two different sets of information. Police officer badge 1259 stated that I had threatened somebody with a knife. Judge Go saying to Michael Mines, oh, it has to do with a verbal threat in regards to a gun. So here's two different false perceptions that have been painted about me characteristically before the magistrate and or before the Crown as well. So I want you to stay tuned to YouTube to segment 27, and thank you for listening.